It makes me wonder if you could talk to any business owner in the world, any small business owner, any founder, any early stage leader, what one piece of advice do you think that you'd give them, Jennifer?
And the number one piece of advice that I would give is that your business will never outgrow you personally unless you turn it over or sell it to somebody else, which maybe if that's what you want to do, that's fine. But if you're really in to grow a business, every issue that you have concerning fear, concerning lack of money, a mindset of poverty versus abundance, even faith in a more positive way of like how the world works, that there's opportunities for you around all of those things. If you don't work on yourself, growing the business, I'm not going to say for sure it will fail, but I haven't seen an instance yet where I've met somebody that has not done that their business has not grown and succeeded and done well. I've also met other people, and I think we can think of this too, where it's very obvious that the business completely stagnated and stopped at a certain point and has never grown past it because the owner did not. And it feels very, when I first really got this concept, it felt like I had no time for that. I had to do therapy. I had to do, like I said, educate, take classes at Harvard. I didn't have to go there, but I wanted to do that. I had to get a mentor, go through, read a ton of books, listen and to different opinions and learn from people that have gone ahead of me and done it really, really well. I mean, that's been part of my path, and then part of that through that whole thing is radical honesty with yourself. Radical honesty, like self-awareness, honesty. I know who I am. I know what I'm good at. I know what I'm not good at. That's great. Like just own who you are and be okay with that. Um, that's the part that I would give. I think that comes out of all the process of what I went through, and I think many owners should.